temperatures can lead to hypothermia with prolonged exposure. Dress in layers including a hat, face mask, and gloves if you must go outside. Keep pets indoors as much as possible. The National Weather Service in Wilmington has issued a snow squall warning for North Central Brown County, Western Fayette County, Ohio, Clinton County, Eastern Greene County, Northwestern Highland County in South Central Ohio, Southwestern Madison County, until 5:15 p.m. At 4:27 p.m., a dangerous snow squall was located along a line extending from near South Charleston to 6 miles southwest of Lynchburg, moving east at 15 miles an hour. Hazard: intense bursts of heavy snow. Gusty winds leading to blowing snow and rapidly falling visibility. Wind gusts up to 20 miles an hour. Source: radar and webcams. Impact: dangerous and life-threatening travel conditions are expected to develop rapidly in the warning area. This includes I-71 in Ohio between mile markers 49 and 76. Locations impacted include Wilmington, Hillsborough, Lancaster, Cedarville, Sabina, Jamestown, Lynchburg, Leesburg, New Vienna, Jeffersonville, Russell, New Jasper, Martinsville, South Solon, Midway, Midland, Bowersville, Highland, Port William, and St. Martin. Slow down. Rapid changes in visibility and road conditions are expected with this dangerous snow squall. Be alert for sudden whiteout conditions.